Well, here is a Hunter Perspective 3-blade fan, Air Max motor from around 2006 or 7. When I installed it new in the box, bought it at Home Depot. When the house was completed, I put this in for my parents back in around 2006. So I just wanted to show you the 3 speeds on this. It won't be a long video, but it does have that cool Air Max motor here. And it does move quite a bit of air. It's high. Not quite like that old Comfort Breeze though from '87, but still a decent fan. Medium. Low. And there you go.